In this video we are going to be looking at the grip tape on the NIU KQi2 electric scooter. I mentioned the wear on the grip tape in my last video where I talked about the state of the scooter after 1000 kilometers. So currently I'm at about 1500 kilometers. The scooter is still holding up really well. And what I forgot to mention in the last video is that even when the original grip tape wears out or gets dirty, NIU also includes an extra grip tape in the packaging of the scooter, which you can change at any time. So it's a slightly different design and it's a standard grip tape, or you can change it with any other grip tape and just cut it to size. This is what the grip tape looks like when it's new. So you can see the wear difference. And this one is a bit more rigid because this one includes the plastic back plate. So when you are gonna change the grip tape on the scooter, you only need to remove the top grip tape, don't remove the plastic underside, which stays on the scooter. So I can show you over here. Here you can see the top grip tape, and then this is the plastic under the grip tape, and you only remove the top grip tape when you are changing the grip tapes, and you need to remove the plastic only when you want to disassemble the scooter, because there are some screws under the plastic. So in that case you can remove both at the same time, but if you are only changing the grip tape, be careful not to remove the plastic part as well. So we are gonna try to clean the grip tape today, and based on online reviews I tried buying this, which is supposed to work on removing dirt from grip tapes, so we will see. Okay, so let's see what we can do with it. So based on the instructions, you are supposed to rub it on the grip tape. So let's see. It does seem to absorb some of the dirt, and then that comes off in this sort of chunks. But so far it seems to be more effort than it's worth, to be honest. So let's continue a bit more and see what difference it makes. I will try to divide it in half, so focus on this half so we can maybe see the difference. And here you still can see the original, which is a lot different. Okay, so this is what it looks like after about 10 minutes of rubbing, and this is the stuff that comes off the brick. I mean, it seems to be a bit better than this side, but honestly, for the effort it takes to remove the bit of dirt from the grip tape, it's probably not worth it unless you really care about having it cleaner. So I will try to rub a bit more on this side, which I haven't done yet, and then we will come back and see if we can spot the difference. But of course it's still miles away from the original look. And I wasn't expecting it to be as new, but maybe I expected it to remove the dirt a bit faster or a bit easier from the grip tape, but this seems to require quite a lot of rubbing and effort to remove a little bit of dirt. Okay, so this is what it looks like after a lot more rubbing on the whole deck. The few wet spots are sweat dripping from my forehead. So if you want a workout, you can try to clean your grip tape, but I mean, it looks a bit cleaner. I will put a before and after shot here for comparison, but well, it kind of works, but it takes a lot of effort to get it to work. So personally, it's probably just easier to replace the grip tape once it's completely gone than to bother with cleaning it. So for anyone interested, this is what I used. And if you need extra grip tapes, you can buy spare grip tapes directly from NIU, or you can buy any other skateboard grip tape and cut it into shape. So this is going to be it for today's video, trying to clean the grip tape on the KQi2. If you enjoyed the video, it helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can reach 1000 subscribers. And thanks for watching. See you next time.